and today I'm here to discuss about the topic, does blogging help SEO? With this topic, you already understand that I'm going to tell you the benefit of the blogging and how this will help you in SEO. Before start this video, I also want to clear one more thing that blog itself not a ranking factor, but yes, blogging is good for SEO because it's helped with a number of the things that are important for the ranking factor, because when you have a blog that updated regularly with the blog post that with the high quality content and on the topic relevant to your audience, it can make a huge difference to how your overall website perform in the search engine. Here is my first point. Blog keep your website fresh and current. The website that are regularly updated and keep sending the signals to the Google that your website is alive and offering a fresh content. Google does not want to deliver its searches outdated information. It also gives you the search engine algorithm more reason to index your website. My second point is blog keep people on your website for a longer. User often leaves web pages in a 10 to 20 seconds, but someone who can come to your website from the blog post have a more reason to stick around for a while and read the whole thing than someone who would land on the page with the less text or information. SEO researchers have found that the long form posts tend to be performed better than the shorter ones. The average first page result on the Google is nearly 2000 words. My third point is a blog gives you opportunity for the internal linking. While you can probably find some good internal linking possibilities on the main page of your website, once you started publishing blog posts, the opportunity will be really blossom. As you add more pages on the various but related topics, you add more opportunity to naturally link those pages to each other. My fourth point is a quality blog gives other sites more reason to link back to your site. When you write a blog, you fill your website with the pages after pages of value information. Anytime any other website decided is valuable to their readers to point them to useful information on the different side, there is a far higher likelihood that your website will be provide that information that worth linking to if you have got a bunch of great blog posts. My fifth point is a blog help you to connect with your audience. This is not a direct linking factor like links are, but it is something that significant contributes to the linking factor. When your audience read a post they love, they're more likely to share it, drive more traffic to it, come back to your website again to see more of your current content, and maybe even sign up for your email list. When you get a lot of traffic and repeat the visitor, that shows Google that people like your website and rise your authority level in their algorithm. As a conclusion, I just want to suggest you that best thing you can do to improve your chance of ranking higher in the search engine is to start daily blogging. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this.